Hey everyone, and welcome to Top Think. Today we'll learn 14 psychology tricks to make anyone like you. Now, let's begin. Have you ever liked someone who didn't like you back? Most people have experienced one-sided feelings at some point in their lives. Maybe they were attracted to someone that hardly noticed they were there. They might have expressed their feelings only to be rejected, leaving them wondering what went wrong. It's not always easy to pinpoint why someone does or doesn't like another person. Interest and attraction are complicated human emotions, and most of the time we don't understand where they come from. For example, think about the last person that you had strong feelings for. What was it that made you like them? Chances are you were drawn to a few attractive qualities, like their confidence and physical appearance. Maybe you liked how they carried themselves or respected their passion for their work. These are all important factors influencing whom you like and how much you like them, but you may have only noticed these great qualities later on after your feelings began to grow. So what was it that captured your interest in the first place? Often the first thing that we notice about someone isn't their interests or their personality. Instead, we latch on to how they make us feel. The people we like make us feel nervous, excited, and physically attracted. They make us curious to learn more and comfortable when they're around. These are just a few of the intense emotions that may eventually grow into feelings of deeper attraction, interest, and love. When we feel these things for another person, we want to spend time with them and bring them into our lives. The question is, how do you get someone to feel these things about you? What can you do or say to make people understand what you have to offer? Even the smallest, most subtle gestures can tremendously impact how people feel in your presence. By making tiny changes to your behavior, you can make more memorable impressions, grab people's attention, and if all goes well, earn the favor of almost anyone. That's why, in this video, we're not just covering the qualities that people find attractive, we're also exploring 14 practical psychological tricks that will make anyone like you. Number 1. Triadic Closure Theory. Imagine your friend introduces you to someone new. Your friend tells you how great they are, so naturally you take a liking to them too. After all, if your friend likes them, they must be a good person, right? This is known as triadic closure. It's a psychological phenomenon that causes us to favor people who are liked by people we know. Not only is this useful for developing friendships, but it can help you get much closer to someone you like. The classic idea of approaching your crush directly may seem scary, but it's actually not necessary. Become a part of their social group, and they may think of you in a whole new way. Number 2. The Pygmalion Effect. People often act the way we expect them to act. In other words, if you expect someone to dislike you, then they're probably going to, but if you expect them to find you charming, well, there's a good chance you'll hit it off. This psychological phenomenon is known as the Pygmalion effect, and it's one of the most common reasons why people fail to find romantic success. To put it simply, they expect to fail. They assume nobody will like them, so that's exactly what happens. But if you expect others to find you likable and attractive, then you may just get exactly what you want. Number 3. Subtle vocal mirroring. Studies have shown that humans are drawn to the sound of our own voices. Just think about it. Your voice is familiar and comfortable. It's the voice that you hear every day, so naturally it sounds more appealing than most. Because we're fond of our voices, we tend to fall for people whose voices sound similar to our own. For example, if a person speaks at the same pace or with a similar cadence, you're likely to find them more desirable. So the next time you're talking to someone you like, try to subtly mirror the pace or character of their voice. If they talk slowly, then slow yourself down. If they use a lot of slang, choose similar words. Yeah, these may sound like simple changes, but this clever trick can make you instantly more appealing. Number 4. The mere exposure effect. According to a study from the University of Pittsburgh, we subconsciously favor people that we've seen more than once, even if we know nothing about them. For example, let's say you often see the same person at your favorite coffee shop. You may not know their name or anything about their life, yet they seem likable to you. This is called the mere exposure effect. If you want someone to like you, spend more time around them, pass each other in the hallways, or just wave hello in the mornings. Just by keeping their company, you're becoming more familiar and attractive. Number 5. The reciprocity principle. Liking someone is a scary thing to do, but what if you knew exactly how they felt? According to the reciprocity principle, we're psychologically predisposed to like people who like us. In other words, if you want someone to like you, tell them how much you enjoy your time together. This simple gesture will not only make people happy, but it may also give them the courage to invest in you. Number 6. Make them feel valuable. Here's a simple trick that you can use to instantly connect with anyone. All you have to do is ask for their advice. Come to them with a problem, listen to their opinion, and tell them how much you appreciate their perspective. Asking people for advice makes them feel valuable. You're expressing that their opinion matters to you, which resonates deeply with almost anyone. They'll walk away from the conversation feeling truly appreciated, and before long, their feelings may begin to grow. Number 7. The perfect amount of eye contact. How much eye contact is too little or too much? Many people struggle to find balance with this powerful piece of body language. Too little eye contact makes you seem untrustworthy, while too much eye contact makes people uncomfortable. But there's a trick you can use to make perfect impressions every single time. When you first meet someone, look right into their eyes and make a mental note of their eye color. On average, this takes about 3 seconds. Whether you're meeting a stranger or talking to a crush, use this simple trick to get their attention and leave them thinking about you. Number 8. Validating body language. We like people with whom we enjoy talking, people who are not only interesting but really listen to what we have to say. If you want to make people like you, be a good listener. When they talk, use subtle gestures to show that you're interested and engaged. For example, nodding your head makes people feel more confident and validated. The more they enjoy the conversation, the more likable and attractive you become. Number 9. Hold your tongue. Small changes in your behavior can leave a powerful impression. Alright, let's say that somebody asks you a question. Typically, you'd answer right away, sharing the first thing that pops into your head. Taking a brief pause, however, can send a more impactful message. A short pause tells people that their questions are important to you and worthy of careful consideration. Everyone wants to feel heard and understood, so give that feeling to someone you know, and they may take a special liking to you. Number 10. Spread happiness like wildfire. What's the most attractive personality trait a person can have? Some people say confidence, others say a sense of humor. But across the board, we like people who are happy. If you want someone to like you, then spread happiness and positivity like wildfire. Walk into every room smiling and others will instinctively smile back. Make people happy and they'll always want you around. Number 11. Create a comfortable illusion. Meeting people can be uncomfortable, but it doesn't have to be. Most social interactions are only as awkward as you allow them to be. In other words, if you want to feel closer to someone, then just pretend you already know them. Don't think of them as a stranger that you're meeting for the first time. Instead, talk to them the way you would talk to someone you know very well. This comfortable, easygoing attitude will make people more comfortable, confident, and interested in you. Number 12. Prove your competence. Competence is a very attractive quality. We're naturally drawn to people who are intelligent and capable. So if you want someone to really like you, then show them your intellectual side from the very start. For example, you might open the conversation by discussing something that you know a lot about. By putting your knowledge on display, you're demonstrating qualities people find endearing and attractive. Number 13. Secrets make us closer. Here's a simple trick to instantly make people feel closer to you. As you're getting to know each other, tell them something that you wouldn't usually share with other people. Revealing a secret to someone shows that you trust them, making them more likely to trust and confide in you. Even if you say something trivial or harmless, this subtle gesture makes you more likable than you think. Number 14. Release nervous energy. We all get nervous around the people we like, but what if there was an easy way that you could use to make those nerves disappear? If you want to be more confident and attractive in any social situation, then all you need to do is chew on a stick of gum. Small, repetitive movements like gum chewing have been proven to reduce stress and anxiety while increasing confidence and calm. Chewing gum also relaxes the muscles in the face, turning a nervous smile into a more relaxed and attractive look. So the next time you meet someone new, release your nervous energy, and your natural charm will come shining through. Hey, thank you for watching Top Think, and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.